a garden that you walk through slow, the silence where your soul can go. Who is worthy of the warmth of an open fire, celebration of a wedding choir? Who is worthy of? In the broken sanctuary light, I'm surrendered, I'm hypnotized. I can see you even though I'm blind. This world's made of color. In the stained glass church of ordinary life, I'm surrendered, I'm baptized. I can hold you like a dandelion. This world is made of color. Am I worthy of the chances that I'm surrounded with, the shame that I'm drowning in, the salt in my woundedness? Am I worthy of the pain that I buried in the dust of a God who I'm scared to trust? Tell me, am I worthy of it? In the broken sanctuary light, I'm surrendered, I am hypnotized. I can see you even though I'm blind. 'Cause this world is made of color. In the stained glass church of ordinary life, I'm surrendered, I am baptized. I can hold you like a dandelion. 'Cause this world is made of color. This world is made of color. And when I go back, I retrace my steps to those stone cold lonely nights when my soul was so tired of putting up a fight. Built my house so sad, didn't understand. I thought truth was black and white, but you took my hand, and this world was made of color. In the broken sanctuary light, I'm surrendered, I'm hypnotized.
That's